Good evening, girls.
Good evening, ma'am.
All right. So
Good
I
evening,
would
ma'am.
yes. Welcome to Forever Star India. Auditions today. And I would request all of you to please check your audio settings and your video settings. We will be starting with your ramp walk in the next 5 minutes. Yes. So all of you will have to do 2 rounds of ramp walk. And after doing your ramp walk, you can sit back comfortably for your personal introduction. I hope everyone is clear. पहले हम ramp walk करेंगे, उसके
All
बाद
right.
हम बैठ के अपना introduction लेंगे. That is how the process will be. Just check your audio and video settings before we start. So we'll start in 5 minutes. Thank you.
First.
निकी 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 ये लाइट बंद हो गई, ऊपर आना. Can someone please unmute yourself and let me know whether I am audible or not?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, you are audible, ma'am.
All right. Thank you, Kiran.
Welcome. ಅಂತ ಓಕೆ ತಗೋ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನ
All right, girls. Good evening once again to each one of you. So
Good
let's
evening.
start with
Good
your,
evening.
yes, keep yourself on mute. No problem. Keep yourself on mute. We'll start with your ramp walk. Just switch on your videos. सब अपनी videos on कर लीजिए. Yes? सब अपनी videos on कर लीजिए and ramp walk. We'll be doing 2 rounds of your ramp walk and we will be doing it simultaneously. All right, girls, let's start quickly. I'm watching each one of you.
Okay. ನೋಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
All right, Kiran, you can sit back comfortably. We'll be starting with the introduction. Neha, you can also sit back. Neha Parak and Neha Singh, both of you. Chitwan, you could also sit back comfortably. Okay, Redmi, could you please change your the name which is showing here from Redmi to your original name? So, do you understand? I'm talking to you. Your hair is open. You are sitting back comfortably. So here it is showing Redmi. I want you to change your username to your original name.
Okay, ma'am, it's Pooja.
Yeah, so your name is fine, Pooja. It's showing Pooja only. I'm talking to the one who's sitting with red lipstick, red or orange, whatever color it is. I'm
Ma'am,
talking.
is it for me? This is Neha here.
No.
I am Kavita. Kavita, this is me.
Okay, she's left the meeting. Okay. No, she's here only. The one who's. Wait.
This thing is mine.
No, your name is showing. It's showing Kavita. Okay.
Kavita, yeah.
Right. So, all right, girls. We'll start with Neha Singh. Neha, you were there in the earlier audition also, Neha?
Yes, ma'am, but there is some connectivity issue. So you told me that you can connect with the other device. So I
Right.
just told
So now the device is fine. You can start with your introduction now. So you've again done your ramp walk, right?
yes, ma'am. No, actually, previously I just missed that.
Okay, no problem, Neha. So let's start with your introduction.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Neha Singh, and professionally, I'm working since 10 years in customer servicing background, and I'm about to 30 years old. And if I talk about like my hobby, I love to listening song, and of course, I want to be previously like I want to be a model, but because of my short height, I wouldn't do that thing. So this is actually my drawback.
What
So,
is your height?
Actually 5.
Okay, all right.
Yes, ma'am. But still, I am like very stylish, very fashionable. So I used to try something new, and obviously, I love to explore myself, whether in terms of like food. I'm very much foodie, but still I had like maintain myself. Also, in terms of professional, I love to know each, like everything, or you can say any new thing, or as well as I really like to be happy myself, and I do whatever I can do to make me happy. As well as I like to be like happy with my all loved ones, like, जो भी मेरे से जुड़े हुए like all my linked persons, like my family, my friends. कहते हैं ना, अगर आप खुश हो तो आप दूसरों को भी खुश रख सकते हो. If you are not happy, you cannot make other people happy. So I believe in that thing. And obviously मुझे शादी किसी ने रोते हुए देखा होगा, बहुत रेयर पर्सन ऐसे होंगे. I used to make always like smiling. And and about this beauty pageant, actually जैसे कि मैंने बोला प्रीवियसली, मैं पहले से चाहती थी कि मैं मॉडल बनूं, बट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ माई शॉर्ट हाइट मैं ये चीज नहीं कर पाई, एंड दिस टाइम आई जस्ट grab this opportunity because I saw that in Instagram basically कि यहाँ पर कोई एज स्लॉट नहीं है, एज वेल एज यहाँ पे कोई हाइट स्लॉट नहीं है, मिनिमम हाइट वाज 5, so I thought I should apply for that, क्योंकि होता है ना, भले ही आपकी हाइट छोटी हो बट आपके अंदर अगर गट्स हैं, अगर आपके अंदर एक विल है, आपके अंदर एक कहते हैं ना सोच है अपनी, अपना हमने बना मतलब पॉजिटिविटी होनी चाहिए किसी चीज को करने के लिए, तो अगर हमारे अंदर वो है अपने एम्स को पूरा करने के लिए, तो उस चीज को आप कर सकते हो। नो वन कैन लेट यू डाउन। तो मेरा ये बिलीव है कि
Agree.
हमें हमारे लिए करना चाहिए। लेट इट बी, जो भी लोग बोलते हैं उन्हें बोलने दो, उनका काम है बोलना, बट जब आप एक मुकाम हासिल कर लेते हो ना, तो सबके मुंह अपने आप बंद हो जाते हैं।
Right, Neha, right. I totally admire the confidence with which you have been talking all this while. And
Thank you.
you know, when you say कि मेरी height 5 feet है, but you know, मैं
Yes,
कभी
ma'am.
imagine you are
Mhm.
almost 30 and you could not participate in a beauty pageant because your
Yes, ma'am.
height was kind of a hindrance to that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what the beauty pageants have done to the society. You know, they've made a mindset
Exactly.
कि आपकी height
Exactly,
5
ma'am.
feet होनी चाहिए.
Hmm.
Your color should be this, your hair should be like this, your figure should be like this. So
Exactly,
this
ma'am.
is this kind of mentality the beauty pageants they have you know made us think like that. But
Exactly,
in
ma'am.
reality we are not what we are because of our physical attributes.
Exactly,
Right,
ma'am.
we are what we are because of how we talk, how we think, and you know how do we want to make a difference in the society.
Exactly.
That is why we've started with this platform, because you said क्या मेरी height 5 feet है इसलिए मैंने participate कर लिया, that you know I can at least get in here. So let me just
Exactly.
tell you that you know our whole idea is to make the event very inclusive. हम इन
Yes, ma'am.
सारे stereotypes को break करना चाहते हैं. These are mere stereotypes that you should you know look a certain way, you should act a certain way. See, what I feel is that if a person is talented, your physical attributes are not going to decide that for you.
Exactly,
Yes,
ma'am.
you are going to decide that for yourself. So yes, Neha, thank you for bringing that up. I will get back to you.
Sure.
Chitwan Saxena, please tell me something about yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. This is Chitwan Saxena from Guna, Madhya Pradesh. I am
Hmm.
22 years old and I'm a graduate from science stream. I like to do baking and cooking as well. And I like to travel different places of India, like cultural places. And I basically likes to do daily physical activities like exercise and also. And myself from Guna, Madhya Pradesh, and I graduate from science stream, and I never think of that because of my short height, as Neha Singh ma'am said. So I never dreamed of any modeling field. So I dreaming now as a modeling passion. So this is my introduction. Thank you.
All right, Chitwan. Thank you so much for talking about yourself. Professionally, आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, Chitwan?
Ma'am, professionally, I want to go in this field as well. So
You want to be a model, actor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Model and being a public figure for every girl that has short height and never thought of like this. So I want to be like that girl.
You want to inspire, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Chitwan, for your introduction. Kavita, could I have
Thank you,
listen
ma'am.
from you? So you could put yourself on mute, Chitwan. आप mute पे कर लीजिए.
Am I audible?
Yes, Kavita, you are perfectly audible.
Everyone, I am Dr. Kavita. I am 47 years old. I am really very excited to be the part of this prestigious contest. By profession, I am dentist. As a person, I am very friendly, jovial, and sportive. I was in sports in my school and college days. I like going tours, travels. I like traveling basically. I like adventurous trips. But coming from the conservative background, I wasn't able to give it a shot to this field. I generally like to be in like a model or an anchor on the stage, but I wasn't because of this conservative background. And today I have gathered all my confidence, and even my daughter encouraged me a lot. She also advised me, no, Mama, you have to give a shot. So I am here and looking forward for all your support and love. Thank you.
All right, Kavita. Thank you so much. And first of all, you do not look a bit like 47. You said 47, right?
Yeah,
So
47.
you look pretty young to me, and I guess you will be a tough competition. If you get in and clear today's audition, you will be a tough competition for the other participants for Mrs. India
So much.
2021. So I totally agree that, the society that we are living in, it's conservative, and especially for women, we have been socially conditioned to take it this way. Ki, acha, men can only do this, women can only do this. And women are, even if you're working for that matter, because you're already working as a dentist, doctor,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
you said. So, people are working, women are working, but at the back of your mind, you feel that every day that I am not treated equally to my counterparts. Yes, I'm not treated equally to men. So, and that feeling is so embedded in us कि हम वो चीजें इतना normally करते हैं कि हमें भी नहीं feel होता कि हम वो differentiate कर रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं. So, this is going to be
my height,
yeah.
Actually, my height is also 5'7". So मेरे को हमेशा वो passion रहती है, so I have to do something in this field.
Yeah, that's lovely. You have a very good height of 5'7". So yes, it can actually add up to your attributes as well. So yes, Kavita, thank you so much for talking about yourself. Kiran Patnaik, could I have your introduction, please?
Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste.
I'm Kiran Patnaik. I'm 20 years old. Currently, I'm doing my graduation in economics honors from the most prestigious women's university, Ramadevi University. My hobbies are singing, dancing, doing art and craft, and gardening. Sometimes when time and situation are favorable, I usually do volunteering work by helping the street animals in providing them food, going to NSS camp. I also won award in my college during annual function for this volunteering work. I also sorry ma'am. Hello.
No
Ma'am,
problem. आराम से बात कीजिए, Kiran.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, to actually build my confidence and to showcase my talent and abilities, this is the best platform, and also to fulfill my mother's dream to see me on such a stage. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, all right, Kiran. It is pretty impressive that you are just 20 and you have been volunteering, right, for helping the stray animals. So that's amazing. That I would expect from a person who's 20 years of age. They are happy-go-lucky people. They do not care about what's happening in the society. But if you are concerned about such important issues, then yes, I am super proud of
Then
you.
because of pandemic, now I'm not able to work. But earlier I have participated in AIDS program. I have also gone to Kinner's interview and everything.
All right.
I just love.
No, that's actually lovely. That's what I say, that being so young, if you have consideration about such things which are happening in the society, then I again say that I am proud of you, and keep doing the good work. I'll get back to you, Kiran. Neha Parak. Do we have Neha Parak, right? So am I pronouncing your name correctly, Neha?
Yes, Neha Parak it is.
Neha Parak, right. So can I have your introduction?
Sure. So first of all, good evening, everyone. My name is Neha Parak. I am born and brought up in Indore. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Engineering, specializing in Information Technology. Currently, I am working as a Senior Software Engineer in an IT firm. We have 4 sisters in our family, and we are in my spare time. I love spending time for my hobbies to learn new things. My hobbies including like singing, dancing, and to learn new things. And I also love to do yoga, meditation, bring peace in my life. I always look forward to spend time with my family and give quality time with my family, to plan some holidays, short holidays with them. I believe in positive mindset, hard work, and give your best whatever the condition is. Rest all depend on your heart, like rest all depend on your good luck, good karma. That's all. Yeah. Thank you. That's
All
all.
right,
from my
Neha, why do you want to participate in Forever Miss India 2021?
So I am keen interest in yoga and meditation. So I have started, and that's randomly. I mean, that's really amazing for me. That's transformed my body, and it helped me maintain with my fitness level. So here in Miss India platform, I would be able to showcase my talent in a very good manner. And what I believe, like, God, please give me something that I can help somebody to to do something. So I want to do good things. So such for that, we need a little platform for that. So I want to get that, and I want to do some good things in my life and see myself as a successful woman.
Okay, all right, Neha, what you've said totally makes sense to me. We'll talk about it in detail later. Meenakshi Sharma, could I have your introduction?
Hello, everyone. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, yes, please tell me.
I am Meenakshi Sharma. I belong to Meerut City, Uttar Pradesh. My higher qualifications are MA BEd, and I have qualified central and state level eligibility test for teachers. And professionally, I want to become a teacher, government teacher, and I am preparing for myself for this. But this is to be a Mrs. India or Miss India. This is my childhood dream, which is little bit die in my heart because of my parents. My parents want to become me as a teacher or a bank manager. So to fulfill my father's dream, I want to become a government teacher. And for little bit selfish myself, I want to become Mrs. India 2021, Forever Mrs. India 2021. And I have married on 30th April 2021. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. And my husband is pursuing PhD from Bihar Central University. My brother-in-law is also pursuing PhD from IIM Kashipur. My father-in-law is retired and served as a senior bank manager in Oriental Bank of Commerce. And my mother-in-law is a housewife. Being a teacher, I want to do something creative, new in my life. A teacher is also a very creative person. And in this way, I want to become more creative in my life. And my hobbies are singing, dancing. Usually, all girls have singing. Hobbies are singing, dancing, cooking. Usually, I'm like that person. That's all about me, ma'am. That's all.
Okay, all right, Meenakshi. Thank you so much. Pooja Baghari, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Pooja, you have to unmute yourself first. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
A very good evening, ma'am, and all those who are participating in this contest. I am very thankful to being a part of this contest. And myself, I am Pooja Baghari, and being a professional background, a daughter of professional background of medicals, I have chosen the nursing profession, and I had completed my post graduation in obstetricals and gynecology from King George Medical University, Lucknow. And presently I posted as a nursing faculty in Bareilly. So during this pandemic, COVID pandemic, as we have suffered a lot of things that which affect us from personally also, physically also. So I think that to mold my personality, I have to participate in this, and it will be, I think it will be greatly influence my confidence as I am caring, loving and serving. And by this, I will be more beautiful and more confident so that I can communicate everyone which I deal with. And the main purpose of my to participate in this contest is to mold my personality.
Okay, all right, Pooja. Tell me, what are your hobbies?
Ma'am, my hobby is painting, and I am state player in sports, that is in kabaddi.
State player of kabaddi. That's interesting. Okay, okay. All right, Pooja. First of all, thank you so much for being there for people during these tough times. Because as you say, you have been posted in a hospital, and I'm sure, I totally understand that these times have been really difficult, and I totally owe this situation today that we have come out of it. So I owe it to all the frontline workers, the doctors. Like Kavita, you are there, you're working as a dentist, but you have been there for people, right? So the same way, Pooja, thank you so much for being there for all of us. And yes, thank you so much for appearing for today's audition. So let's move forward to Purnima. Purnima, you have to unmute yourself first. नहीं पूर्णिमा, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है, आपको अनम्यूट करना पड़ेगा. Just look towards your left. Left में एक mic का option होगा. You have to click on that.
Okay, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Yes, please start.
I am Purnima. I am 35 years old, and I live in Delhi. I have complete my graduation 2030 from IGNOU. And I am working in government sector as a cashier, and my hobbies in dancing, music at night, and ये जो मुझे क्या कहते हैं, ये जो नया मुझे जो शुरू से ही मुझे एक नया मतलब मॉडल बनने का काफी शौक था, लेकिन मुझे वो गाइडेंस नहीं मिली कभी. लेकिन अब जो मुझे जो ये मैंने जब ऐड देखी, तो जब मुझे अच्छा लगा कि 35 मतलब 40 इयर्स तक भी कर सकते हैं, तो मैंने इसको मतलब ऐड करा. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि कम से कम एटलीस्ट मैं अपना ड्रीम तो पूरा कर सकती हूँ, और मुझे बहुत शौक है मॉडलिंग करने का. That's it, and this is my dream.
Okay, okay. So when you said you love to dance and you love listening to music, तो आप मुझे कुछ गा के सुना सकते हो क्या पूर्णिमा? If you love to sing.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Okay, okay. ये रात भीगी भीगी ये मस्त फिजाएं, रूठा धीरे धीरे क्यों चांद प्यारा प्यारा, क्यों आग सी लगा के गुमसुम है चांदनी, सोने भी नहीं देता मौसम का ये इशारा.
Lovely, lovely, Purnima. You have a lovely voice, and thank you for being a sport. Right, as soon as I said, you started singing, so that's lovely. That shows how confident you are. So yes, thank you so much, and we're done with everyone's audition today from your slot. Yes. And before we move ahead, I will be talking a little about the platform, because all of you should know that where are you and what is this platform going to do? How is it going to help you in growing? So you are here in Forever Star India Awards audition, and Forever Star India is organizing the most unique beauty pageants of the country, Forever Miss India and Forever Mrs. India. So again, this is happening for the first time in the country कि हमने Mrs. India में 2 categories रखी हैं, between 20 to 50 years. So 20 to 36 का एक category है, and 36 to 50 का एक category है. So we have Kavita and Purnima in that category, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
we've kept the height also very minimal. अगर आपकी height 5 feet है, आपका weight 65 kgs भी है maximum in Miss, तो आप participate कर सकते हैं ना. Why are we doing that? Because we want to break these stereotypes that you have to look a certain way if you want to participate in a beauty pageant. Because the earlier beauty pageants, they have made our mindset like that कि आपको 5'6" होना चाहिए, या आपको इतना सुंदर दिखना चाहिए, आपका color fair होना चाहिए, or your weight should be ideal. So your physical attributes are not going to decide your worth, right? If I have a quality in myself, if I'm an amazing dancer, लेकिन मेरी height अगर 5 feet है, तो मैं beauty pageant में क्यों नहीं participate कर सकती? So on this platform, it is just about your talent and your passion. कि आप कितने passionate हैं इस society में difference लाने के लिए. On that basis, you will be selected. And when I say that this platform is different from the other platforms, then it starts from the beginning. ये जो आज आपका audition हुआ है, इसके 48 hours के बाद you will be receiving an audition report, right? This audition report will have all the details that on what basis have you been selected or not selected. मतलब आपका selection and non-selection. All right, girls, sorry. So yes, your selection and your non-selection is going to be in this audition report, right? After you receive the audition report, you will be completing your participation process. Because see, once you are declared a participant for Forever Miss India and Forever Mrs. India, the most important thing that you're getting on this platform is lifetime membership. Because जब मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि हमारा गोल सिर्फ ब्यूटी पैजेंट करना नहीं है, हमारा गोल है एक बहुत बड़ी कम्युनिटी बनाने का of like-minded women like you, right? Who can grow with each other. तो हमें एक दूसरे को देख के इंस्पिरेशन लेनी है. आपका कंपटीशन यहाँ एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं है. Like पूर्णिमा, आपका कंपैरिजन पूजा के साथ नहीं होगा. मीनाक्षी, आपका कंपैरिजन नेहा के साथ नहीं होगा. We will be judging you on the basis of the progress that you are making with respect to yourself. कि आज आपने जो रैंप वॉक की है, 1 month की ट्रेनिंग के बाद आपकी रैंप वॉक में जो डिफरेंस आएगा, उसके बेसिस पे आपको स्कोर किया जाएगा. Because each one of us is unique. हम सब यूनिक हैं. हमारा कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है एक दूसरे के साथ, right? When we say that a fish cannot be compared with a dog, so that holds true for every person alive on earth. So we are going to embrace your uniqueness, and for that we have 150 plus trainers here. Image consultants, motivational speakers, ramp walk experts, makeup artists. यानी कि gradually overall आपका 5 months का training होगा, starting from the time you receive your audition report. For example, अगर Monday को आपके पास audition report आती है, so Monday के next day once you complete the participation process, आपकी trainings start हो जाएंगी. And the trainings are going to be virtual because looking at the pandemic that has been going on for a while now, we do not want to risk your lives. So just by staying at your home and having an access to basic internet facilities, आप Zoom के through सारे training sessions लेंगे. So once a week, there will be 1 or 2 training sessions, and gradually you will be seeing you becoming the best version of yourself. क्या होगा कि सबसे पहले हम city winners select करेंगे. Once we have city winners from every city, we will be selecting the state winner, and then the grand finale will most probably happen in Goa. यानी कि आपकी trainings तो virtual हो जाएंगी, लेकिन जब आपको crown पहनाने की बारी आएगी, तो वो हम एक live event करेंगे. That will not happen virtually. किसे अच्छा लगेगा कि हमें award मिल रहा है, हमें acknowledge किया जा रहा है हमारे efforts को, वो virtually किया जाए? नहीं. तो training sessions आपके virtual होंगे, लेकिन जो crowning होगी वो आपकी offline होगी, and it will happen in December. यानी कि December तक you have good amount of time to work on yourself, and the team is going to help you in doing that. ऐसा नहीं है that you are just on your own. You will just be giving us your time. If you're free during the mornings, we will be giving you a morning slot. If you're free during the afternoons, we will be giving you an afternoon slot, and the last is our evening slot. So depending on your preferences, we will be giving you a slot, and then you start appearing for the training sessions, you start appearing for your talent rounds, and gradually we'll be looking at the grand finale. Now, even if you do not make it to the finale, as I said, you will be getting a lifetime membership of this platform. And what do I mean by lifetime membership? क्या फायदा मिलेगा आपको lifetime membership? So your profile will be created here, just like you have your profile on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. The same way, your independent profile will be there on FCA, on our community. And using this profile, you can harness a lot of business opportunities. When you say that, all of you are from different backgrounds, right? Somebody is a student, somebody is working in a government organization, somebody is a doctor, but each one of you is passionate about some or the other thing. You want to make a difference in the society. So using this platform, if you are capable enough, if you work on those training sessions and you come out more groomed and polished, then we will be giving you opportunities. You will not have to go anywhere outside, but just by being a member of this platform, these opportunities will come directly to you. And, just as an example, we will be launching our own OTT platform towards the end of 2022. So I'm sure everybody understands OTT. Amazon, Netflix, Hotstar, these have been like a savior for all of us in this pandemic. So Forever Star India will be launching its own OTT platform. And for this OTT platform, we will be giving preference to our own members. हम कहीं बाहर नहीं जाएंगे actors लेने के लिए, for choreographers, script writers, and dancers. So what will happen is कि जो normally when you want to take your first break in the industry, in the acting or modeling industry, what are you supposed to do? आपके बहुत strong contacts होने चाहिए. That's what happens. If you are not that well off, if you do not have such strong contacts, you never make it to that industry. And that's what the problem is. If you are talented, you must be given a chance. And this platform is going to remove that concept altogether of middlemen. There will be no one in between. आप हैं, आपकी profile है, and if you are capable enough, then you will be getting your first ever break on this platform. So these are just a few benefits that I have mentioned. You must go through our Facebook, Instagram, and our YouTube, channels, so that you understand that what kind of trainers do we have, आपकी training कौन करने वाला है, कैसे आपकी training sessions होंगे, आपको help कैसे मिलेगी खुद को groom करने में उनमें. So go through everything. Be really active on social media, because that's the only way that we'll come to know of you, right? Until you post good content on social media, because everything is happening virtually. So we'll also have a social media training for you. An expert is going to train you that how you should be handling your social media platforms. Apart from that, in order to complete the participation process, you will have to pay a fee of 3500 plus GST. That is 3500 plus GST, right? And there are no hidden charges apart from this. So 35 plus 100 plus GST में आपको lifetime membership मिल रही है. You're getting the training and grooming sessions. You are getting a lifetime profile on FCA for harnessing business opportunities. So this is how we are going to take it forward. Let's take it step by step. You've given your audition. After your audition, just wait for your audition report, and then I will see you in the training sessions, all of you. So anything that you would want to know from my side? Yes, Nagashri?
Excuse me, ma'am. I just want to know when is my audition? I think I was in this slot. If I was on this slot.
Yes, Nagashri. I completely missed you out. That's my mistake. No problem. I'll take your audition, Nagashri. And
sure.
For the rest of you, you can leave the meeting. And if there's anything that you would want to know regarding the process, I'm all yours. Please ask me any questions, any queries that you have. Okay, so everyone is clear about everything?
Ma'am, one thing I want to know.
Yes, Neha, please tell me.
Actually, you told us कि आप जो भी हमारे training sessions होंगे या फिर जो भी हमारे means training जो होगा, ठीक है, जो भी trainers होंगे वो उसमें जो time slots होंगे वो हम मतलब जैसे अभी हमारे जो हमने अभी ये audition round दिया है, that is totally upon us कि हमने एक अपना time frame और अपना slot choose किया है. So that was also like ऐसे ही होगा या फिर
yes, training sessions में यही होगा कि हमारे पास नॉर्मली 3 स्लॉट्स होते हैं, एक मॉर्निंग स्लॉट होता है, एक आफ्टरनून और एक इवनिंग। तो आपको तीनों स्लॉट्स की इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाएगी, फिर आपकी प्रेफरेंसेस के हिसाब से आपको उसी बैच में प्लेस किया जाएगा। जैसे अगर आप if you're working और आप इवनिंग्स में फ्री होते हैं तो आपको इवनिंग बैच में प्लेस किया जाएगा।
Or ma'am, if somehow we miss that slot, also can we like
You can,
adjust?
yeah,
or...
you will be getting recording of those sessions, तो आप बाद में भी उनको access कर सकते हैं।
Thank you, ma'am.
Right, all right, okay Neha, thank you so much, and thank you each one of you. All the best from my side, and have a beautiful, beautiful evening ahead. Thank you. So you can leave the meeting apart from Nagashri.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Kiran, you could also leave the meeting. Meenakshi, Purnima.
Ma'am, I want to see her audition. Can I?
Oh, you want to see her audition? All right, Nagashri, please tell me something about yourself.
I want to listen you more. Voice.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am. First of all, thank you for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nagashri. My kitten can call me Shri.
Okay.
I'm basically from Bangalore, Karnataka. Now, I recently traveled back to India as I was residing in USA for past 5 years.
Okay.
My family, I have 2 wonderful kids. My daughter is 7 years old and my son is old.
Okay.
And my interests and hobbies are cooking and singing devotional songs and exploring myself.
So could you sing a devotional song for me, if you don't mind?
Sure. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Muralidhara Murahara Natavara Muralidhara Murahara Natavara Gopi Jana Priya Giridhara Gopi Jana Priya Giridhara Vrindavana Sanchar Jagadotara Vrindavana Sanchar Jagadotara Kumara Yashoda Bala Nanda Kumara Muralidhara Murahara Natavara.
Okay, that's lovely,
Thank
Nagashri.
you.
You have a beautiful, beautiful voice, and
Thank you.
you were completely lost while singing it, right? So nice. So tell me, why do you want to participate in Forever Miss
Yes.
India 2021?
First of all, this was my dream when I was in 20s. I am now 36. First of all, I want to set an example to the women who are married and having kids, that that is not be all and end all. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are. I am listening to you.
Yeah. So I would say that women has to pursue their career even after their marriage and after having kids. I know it's difficult in IT that if after having a long break, it's difficult to get back to their career. And also, not everybody's dream is to be what they are working for, but also whatever they're passionate about. I think they should follow their dreams, and that's.
All right, Nagashri, what you say totally makes sense. I understand that you're married and you have kids. So that is why you can totally
Yeah.
relate to all those women who are married, because see, I am, also married. I have very cute daughter, and this is what the general notion is, that once you're married, then you have kids, then getting back to your profession gets a little difficult. And moreover, it's not about getting back to your profession, it's about what
Yes.
you are passionate about, right? Just going
Yes.
after your passion, then because see, when you do something that you really love, then you do
Yes.
it with all your heart, right? And when you do something with all your heart, then it makes a difference in the society. You're able to benefit, the others are able to benefit from that. So,
Yes.
Nagashri, thank you so much for your lovely introduction. I loved your song as well. And yes,
Thank
I am
you.
super excited for the training sessions. I am sure you will be there for the training sessions. So just keep your fingers crossed, and let's
Thank
wait for
you.
your audition report.
Sure.
Anything that you would want to know about the process,
Sure.
Nagashri? Anything that you could not understand about the platform?
No, I'm clear. I'm clear with it.
Perfect,
Yeah.
perfect. Even after this, if
You
there's
have explained
anything-
it well.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. But later also, if there's anything that you do not understand, you can get back to my customer support team and they will clarify all your doubts, right? So be
Sure.
very clear before you get onto this platform, because see, once you are here,
Yeah, sure,
you
sure.
have to be present for the training sessions, right? Because see, you are coming on this platform,
Okay.
giving in your time. So let's be
Sure, sure.
more sincere in our efforts. That's what I would be expecting from your side. And thank you so much. Have a beautiful evening
Yes,
ahead. Have
yes.
a beautiful Saturday. Bye-bye. Bye, Kiran. I'll see you super soon.
Thank you. Thank you the same.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye. Wish you the same. Thanks.